Hey guys, welcome back to Superb Kitchen. It's coming close to the Christmas season, and as Jamaicans, we love our sorrel drinks. So I'm going to show you how I make this quick and simple. First, we want to get our ginger, get a good amount, and we want to clean and wash our ginger. Then we are going to crush it. So just get something and beat it up. Then get a nice big pot of water and put your ginger in it. Then allow the water to boil. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then I have 2 pounds of fresh sorrel. Add your sorrel to the pot. After adding your sorrel, we are not going to boil this sorrel now. We are just going to allow the water to boil over it for about a minute or 2 maximum, not 3. See, after 1 minute, this is what we have. Now we are going to turn off the flame and cover the pot for overnight. You can put it in a plastic container if you want to, but I just leave it here. And look at this, the next morning the sorrel is not red and pretty anymore. It's all drained out in the water. This is what we want. Now it's time to strain our sorrel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. Remember to click that subscribe button and the notification bell, like and share with your friends and family, and thank you so much to all my continuous supporters. Now it's time to mix it. I'm adding a small bottle of red label wine. And some brown sugar. I'm not going to add all of this sugar. I'm just adding maybe 2 spoons to it because I don't like my sorrel too sweet. I need it to be refreshing. And that's it. You can also add some white rum to this, guys, but you know that's optional. So just enjoy your sorrel and enjoy the Christmas season. And you just put this in the fridge, allow it to get cold, then you can serve it. If you want to serve it on ice, that's up to you, but personally I don't like mine on ice. I don't want the ice to water down my thing. I just like it nice and rich.